Hi friends, I am Ruben. In this video we discuss about the second oscillator, stochastic oscillator. Here they discuss the stochastic oscillator is a popular technical indicator. It indicates the overbought and oversold signal, and it is developed by George Lamb in the 1950s. It indicates the divergence of the particular star. It indicates the trend reversal of the share. And the next one is the stochastic formula. Here the percentage of K equal to C minus low of 14 days divided by the high of 14 days minus low of 14 days into 100. Here C is the most recent closing price, and then L14 equal to the lowest price traded of the 14 previous trading session, and then the H14 means the highest price traded during the same 14-day period, and then the percentage K equal to the current value of the stochastic indicator. This is the formula of the stochastic indicator. And the next one is the stochastic crossover. Here there are two lines. The one line is called K line and another line is called D line. If the K line cross the D line, the K line is a green line and the D line is the red line. If the green line cross the D line is a red line, then you can buy the share. In the opposite side, you can sell the share means if the K line, the green line, cross the red line from top to low, then you can sell the share. This is stochastic oscillator. Here you can see the overbought and oversold condition, and then the crossover of two lines, the K and D lines. Here is the 80 is the overbought condition and the 20 is the oversold condition, and then 50 is the center point. The above 50 is the uptrend and the below 50 is the downtrend. So if you buy any share at above 50 is the correct situation to entry, and you can exit above 80. Then there is a overbought, then the particular share will comes down. So keep in mind guys, the 20 and 80 are the very important points in stochastic. The stochastic oscillator is very careful to the trader to correct entry and exit in the current market. It is also helpful to the divergence, the positive and negative divergence of the particular share, and it also indicates the trend reversal. So it is a number 2 oscillator type. The number 1 is RSI and the number 2 is stochastic oscillator. Let's see you in the next video about the leading indicators. Thank you friends. If you have any doubts in this concept, please ask me in the comment section. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Let's see you in the next video. Thank you friends.